If you have only single lens or one lens to carry for your wedding photography or wedding videography or events or filming, I think there's only one lens is the best for that, which is the Tamron 35 to 150 millimeter from f2.0 to 2.8. The Tamron 35 to 150 millimeter lens emphasizing its versatility and why it's popular choice among wedding filmmakers or photographers or any events. The Tamron 150 millimeter is ideal for wedding films and photography. The focal range, the image quality, and low light performance. So again, guys, for the focal lens, you have like a four lens or five lens in one single lens, or five focal lens in one single lens. Like you have the 35 millimeter, which is for wide. You have 50 for portrait. You have even 85, 100, 135, and the 150. So this is the best lens. And again, it's f2.0 to 2.8. So for the focal lens, like you are bringing five lens in the events. So you don't need to carry a lot of lenses or yeah, lenses or camera, second camera, two cameras. So at least you have only one camera carry around with one lens. So this is the best for wedding and any events. Like for example, for wedding, if you want to shoot for a group of people, like portrait of group portrait, group portrait, you have 35 millimeter f2.0. So it's very nice. 35, it's good enough for shooting uh, a group of portraits. Then, if you want to shoot with a single portrait, you have option which is 70 millimeter, 85 millimeter, and 135 millimeter for portrait, which is f2.8. It's a best bokeh already with a 2.8. Again, if in the wedding ceremony, sometimes you cannot go closer to the subject. So we have a 150 millimeter to use on this lens. So you don't need to walk near from the subject. You can use 150 millimeter with f2.8 lens and you can get a best result. Again, for the image quality, you can get the best sharp from 35 millimeter f2 to 150 millimeter f2.8. Also, the focusing is very fast. That's perfect for you to take the important details of the wedding ceremony or any events. So regarding for the low lights, yeah. So regarding for the low lights, again, from 35 millimeter, we have f2.0, perfect enough for the lens, which is also you have a 150 millimeter in 2.8 aperture. So it's more than enough. It's perfect enough for using in the low light. Like you have 2470, you have the 50, you have 2.8, everything in this lens already. So, but the only downside is heavy. Yes, it's heavy, guys. Because again, as I said, this is like you have five lens in one single lens body. So, guys, what do you think of this lens? This is suit for your needs, for your wedding and events photography or filmmaking? Just leave a comment down below, guys, if this is the best lens for you. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, I tried also the lens and I checked the lens. I love the focusing, it's fast. And the only downside is heavy. Yeah, but it's okay. It's heavy. But for me, it's okay, guys. It's still um, a good lens because of you have like a five lens inside of this one lens, five focal lengths inside of one lens. So yeah, please check the lens, guys. If you want to check the price and availability, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So yeah, for wedding photographer, filmmaker, try this Tamron 35 150 millimeter focal length, 35 f2 to 150 millimeter f 2.8 focal length. So yan, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.